Hi, good day, M6345. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day to all employers of Bongko. I am Erica Jean M. Pamitan, 25 years old, high school graduate, single, and
Okay. Tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I have 3 years and 10 months of experience. I'm babying a newborn, then we have 3,
So you are the one who taking care of a newborn
yes,
until 3 years old.
yes,
And other household chores that you do.
cleaning, washing, ironing, then I'm,
Focus taking care of the baby.
yes,
So you are taking care of the baby from newborn to 3 years old, and also you have an employer which is a couple of 34 years old,
yes,
and also do all the household chores. So since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
And I'm taking off, and beep of temperature, then tummy, then check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, the tummy, if it's the baby is hungry, or also change the diaper but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call the parents of the children.
And what will you tell to the parents?
If one stop crying,
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to work my future, then
To save money for your future.
and my family.
So for your family. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 or more if
So
the employers need. I will,
needed you. So it is okay to you to be extended your contract if your employers needed you.
yes,
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
no idea, but I've been willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watching YouTube, then reading the recipe book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes,
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
yes,
Sharing room with kids is okay with you?
yes,
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
yes,
How about taking care of elderly?
yes,
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am respectful, generous, and a loving person. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, also can you promise that you will be honest,
Yes,
trustworthy,
yes,
and also will follow the rules and regulations of their
yes.
house? Thank you so much, Miss Erica. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.